We got some green onions in the backyard. Gonna make some instant noodles. Take a couple of these. Some fresh green onion. And then I can be quick. The water is boiling. Excuse me. I'm live streaming. I'm cooking instant noodle. Okay. This to the side. Alrighty. Show some Jin Ramyun. This is not spicy. Oh man. I guess I didn't put in water. Some water. Okay. I'm messed it up already. Not that much, yeah. Doesn't need to be too soupy, just enough to cover the noodle. Maybe a little more. Yeah, I'm trying to turn the flame on all the way. Right here, I got some baby food heating up. Some congee. Get a chopstick. Let me get a chopstick. This one. The congee is a little too thick. Porridge or whatever. So I added some water. And for this one, I use a secret ingredient. Bam! Chicken flavor. So this will be pretty good when it's ready. Alright. Meanwhile, the water is starting to boil here. Oh yeah, the noodles get soft. There you go. Yeah. I really gotta figure out my camera situation. There we go. Okay. That's enough soup, yeah, it's good soup. Okay. Like seaweed, green onion, red something, this and that. I don't know what that is. The powder. Yay. Put the green onions in last. Now, when do you put your egg in? You know, I put my egg in. Depends on if you how soft you want the yolk. I guess I'm putting it now, where the noodles like cooked. The noodles are softened up. I'll do eggs 2 style, 1. I don't know, just 1 style, just like that. Ouch. So there's gonna be 2 eggs, but what I'll do, garbage goes in there. I'll blend the whites. So there's itty bitty pieces of egg in the soup. And it changes the soup, kinda. There we go. Yeah. On turkey, sir. Nice. There's a fire right here. Heat up that. Check on this thing, make sure it don't get too sticky. It's pretty much heated up. That's just done. This one's actually, yeah, I think the noodles are done. I don't like to overcook the noodles. In fact, I think I'll just take the noodles out for the most part. And before I do, let's add some of this sesame oil. A little bit, not too much. Green onions. Sorry. I'm too lazy to use a knife. This knife is probably better, but it's hot. Hot. Mix that up, and I think it's about done. It's about done, skis, yeah, okay. There. Got some noodles first. Oh, man. I'm trying to cook the eggs a little bit more right here. And then save it for Mama. It doesn't really care. Where's the egg? That's it for today.